Hey guys, I hope everybody is having a great weekend. Today let's talk about why you don't want to count your chickens before they hatch. But saying that, I do have some exciting things to show you. Okay, so this is very exciting news. You may remember that I lost my black copper Moran rooster over the winter, and he was the only one I had left. And I've been working with that breed for a while, and I needed to get some more this year, but it's kind of hard to find good ones. And since I was starting all over, well, there is a local breeder that's about an hour, maybe 20 minutes from here, who has great birds and does really well in shows and happened to offer some eggs to share genetics. So look what I have. I am so excited about this. This is a huge break and opportunity. So I'm really hoping these eggs do well for me. But I'm not gonna count my chickens until they hatch with these. And finally, guess what's going on in this thing? Finally filled this incubator up. I am so excited to get going. It's way late for me, and it's way late for me. And I don't know if you can see these eggs here, but these are some birch and Marans, which is a different color scheme than my black coppers. And these come from another fantastic breeder, so I have high hopes for these too. So I'm really glad to be hopefully getting back on track with my flock this year. I have some others that we are going to be watching hatch. These are some cute ones, and we'll watch these go all the way through too, hopefully. So look forward to that in the next couple weeks. We've also been busy doing some spraying of the trees.
We're a little late on the dormant oil, but I guess late is better than never. This is our cool sprayer. I don't know if I've showed you guys this before. Steve got this for free at a garage sale a couple years ago. If he could get it to run, she just let him have it. It was a lady, and it used to be her husband. It works really well for what we need it for. It's kind of a power washer, pressure washer deal. It gets the spray in the trees really well. It sure beats those little pumping 1-gallon sprayers we were walking around with.
And show you what we have done to see if this works with the hawks. So far so good. I'm not sure how it'll work long term. We'll see, because I have some that keep flying right over the fence. So you can see that I kind of gave them the area that has the trees in it, hoping that that kind of gives them more shelter and keeps the hawk from flying down there. Again, I'm not sure how it's going to work long term, but we'll see how it goes. Here is my sweet potato that I'm trying to do some slips off of. So far, I'm just seeing a little bit of mold, but like slimy stuff. But I don't know if you can see the little tiny root right there. And I also have a little tiny root right there. I just moved it into a more sunny location, so I'm hoping that helps it root a little faster and maybe eventually get my own slips. We'll see. I think it's finally time for me to take this kind of stuff down in my house. And that's going to give me a few more spaces when I move the other decorations back to put some seeds in some sunnier spots to try to start them. Okay, now I've said I do not start from seed, but I am going to try a few broccoli plants this year on my own. I found these little pellet refills, so I think I'll start with these and see how that goes. I'm going to get them started today. If they work, they work. If they don't, they don't. It's also the season for broody hens. I've got her kind of set up, and
I've shown this in videos, but what I do is I give her a couple special marked eggs that I let her sit on to get attached to that nest. You can also use ceramic eggs, and then that's how I know the other eggs that need to come out. And I think I have a second broody in here too. So these girls are getting geared up to hatch too. Thanks so much for watching. I will catch you the next time. That used to be a straw bale. They have completely destroyed it.